Hi children, good morning. Coming to our next class. Today our English class. Okay children? Open your textbooks first, page number 64. Page number 64, enrichment activities. Okay, in previous class we completed the grammar part, unit 4 also. Now I explain enrichment activities. Okay, what is the first Roman? A Roman is, this paragraph has many errors. See, here one paragraph is there, but in this paragraph many errors, so many mistakes are there. Errors means mistakes. Okay, so many of the wrongs are there. Rewrite it correctly in your notebook. So take out your notebook also. Exchange notebooks with your partner and check each other's work. Okay, see once. Here, given the paragraph is, we all know that. That means NO, no, that is wrong. So you write that no place KNOW, no. Okay? Know that Earth is 70%. Okay children, KNOW, no. But here given the spelling is wrong, NO, no. Okay? Next, 70%. But person spelling PERCENT. But in the paragraph given PURCENT. Okay? Water percent is 70% water. Okay, water, but only 3%. Here also PERCENT. This is the correct spelling. In your textbook given the PUR is wrong. Okay, is fit for drinking. Okay, next, water is one of our most precious. So wrong spelling precious. Here PRECIOUS is the correct spelling. Okay, precious. Resources, RESOURCES. Resources. Next, we can all help to conserve. Here conserve spelling is wrong. U is given here, but the other is E. CONSERVE. Conserve water, and also to keep our water supply pure and clean. One thing each of can do at once is take shorter baths, not leave many taps. So here given not leave many taps, but that is wrong. Not leave any taps. So any, M is not right that. Okay, any taps running. When we brush our teeth or check the taps in our homes for leaks. Okay, next one. Ask. Here small a is given, but you write the capital A. Why are you write the capital A here? Full stop. Full stop means the sentence is completed. So completed after again you start the sentence. So you write the first letter is capital letter. Okay. Ask an adult to have these leaks repaired. Okay. Adult to repaired. Leaks repaired. REPAIRED. But in your textbook this is the wrong spelling. This is the correct spelling. Okay. Repaired at once. Did you know placing a brick or stone inside your flush tank can reduce the amount of water used in each flush? Next, another. So, another spelling is wrong here and you write the capital A also on that place. ANOTHER. Another thing you can do is be careful what you put down your sink. Okay? Watch your sink. Next. Avoid putting oil, paint or chemicals into sinks as these can pollute a drinking water. Next, drinking water supply. Only supply. But here given supplies in your textbook given. But you write that on place supply. SUPPLY. Okay. Next, instead. Here full stop. After you write the first letter is capital letter. But he given here small letter. So I capital you write that. Okay. Instead, pour them into outside gutters. Okay children. So here I write the underlined words only. Wrong Okay, take your notebook and write this paragraph with correct spellings and write the full stops after. Write the starting letter is capital letter. Okay, we all know that Earth is 70% water, but only the 3% is fit for drinking. Water is one of our most precious resources. Can all help to conserve water and also to keep our water supply pure and clean. One thing each of us can do at once is to take shorter baths, not leave any taps running when we brush our teeth and check the taps in our homes for leaks. Ask an adult to have the leaks repaired at once. Did you know placing a brick or stone inside your flush tank can reduce the amount of water used in each flush? Another thing you can do is to be careful what you put down your sink. Avoid putting oil, paint or chemicals into sinks as these can pollute the drinking water supply. Instead, pour them into outside gutters. Now take your notebooks and write this paragraph in your notebooks without mistakes and write with neat handwriting. See your next Roman children, B Roman. Fill in the blanks with articles. What is that articles? A, an or the. Put a cross if no article is required. So some of the times no article is used to the sentences. You put the wrong. That means cross out symbol. Okay, children. First, what is the first one given? Let's go to dash Agra to see dash Taj Mahal. So here first blank is put the cross out. Why? On the blank don't use the article. Okay. Let's go to Agra to see dash Taj Mahal means Taj Mahal, that is the place. So article use the the. To use the article is the. Okay. So let's go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Okay. Next everyone see. Mumbai is dash capital of Maharashtra. Pune is dash city quite close to it. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Pune is a city quite close to it. Okay, first one the, second one A. Next one that Vasai is dash suburb of Mumbai and it is dash hours drive from the airport. Vasai is a suburb of Mumbai. It is an hours drive from the airport. Okay, first one A, second one N. Fourth one C. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are dash neighboring states, but that is not. Don't use the article on that place. So you put the cross out symbol. So read that sentence. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are neighboring states. Okay. Next, can you name dash country that lies to dash north of dash Uttar Pradesh? Can you name the country? Name the country that lies to the north of Uttar Pradesh. So last one is don't use the article, so you put the cross out symbol. Okay, can you name the country that lies to the north of Uttar Pradesh? Next one, sixth. Which city serves as the capital? The capital for both Punjab and dash Haryana. But don't article can be used at blank. Punjab and Haryana only. Okay, which city serves the capital for both Punjab and Haryana? Okay, in first blank, first one is wrong. Second one is the. Second in first the, second A. Third in first A, second N. Fourth is only one blank, cross out. Fifth one first the, second one the, third one cross out. Sixth one first the, second one cross out. Okay, next is the C Roman children. Work in pairs, identify the odd word out in each set and explain why you choose it. See first. Mouse, house, dog, human. Mouse, dog, human. These are the human, dog, mouse. Okay, these are the living things. But house is non-living thing. That is the reason odd one, house is you circle that. Okay children, house you circle that. What is the reason children? house is only non-living thing. So that is the reason. Remaining 3 are living things. Okay. Next one. Door, table, wood, bed. Okay children, what is that? Door, table, wood, bed. So in this one, door, table and bed, these 3 things are made from humans, but wood is not made from the human. So that is the odd one. So you circle the wood. Okay children, what is the next one? Third one. Smile, laugh, cry, giggle. So smile, laugh and giggle is the happiness moments, but cry is the sad moment. So that is the odd one. So you circle that cry. What is the next one? Milk. So butter, cheese, yogurt and milk. Butter, cheese and yogurt use the milk products that 3 are, but milk is only milk. So that is the odd one. You circle that one, milk. Okay. Next, what is that? Car, aeroplane, train, bicycle. Car, aeroplane, train and bicycle are car, aeroplane and train have the engines, but bicycle have the engine, cycle? No, that is not engine. So odd one is bicycle. Okay children? Next. See our next one. Be Roman. Have you ever had people say things like it is bad luck to cut your nails at night or never wash your hair on a Saturday? Ideas like this, which have no logical reason and come from fear or ignore, are called suppressions. Can you spot the suppressions below? Tick the sentences that are facts and put a cross next to the ones the suppressions. So see, you should never get a haircut on a Tuesday. See children, wrong. Why? You should never get a haircut on a Tuesday. So that is wrong. March is the 3rd month of the year. That is the correct children? Yes. So you tick that one. Third one, see. Eating too much junk food will harm your health. So your health is falling 6 children? Yes. So third one is also correct. Next, fourth one, see. Eating curds and sugar before an exam will bring you luck. That is only wrong. Okay. Next, fifth one. If a crow caws outside your window, if you will have a visitor, no, that is also wrong. Crows and pigeons are found all over India. Yes. Black cats bring bad luck. No. Some cats are white. Yes. Okay. So some of the only correct in this 8 sentences. What is that? Second, third, and 6th, 8th are the correct sentences. Remaining are wrong. Okay children, take your pencils and complete this textbook work in enrichment activities.